Oh, hi guys. You want some tea? I'm making some.
No thanks.
Do you know what? I might have some. Okay. Do you want some sugar?
Nah.
So, how was your day?
Yeah, it was alright. I mean,
What did you do?
I did some shopping because,
Ah,
yeah,
that's it?
yeah, mostly. But later on,
Oh, thank you. This looks delicious. What's happened?
are you okay?
Is he okay?
Jeff?
Jeff?
Something must be wrong for this.
You're right. I'll check the coffee. It smells right and it looks right.
I'll
Probably not that.
Yeah, I'll check the sugar then. It's not sugar.
Why? What is it?
It's flour.
Oh
And
no.
we all know he's allergic to it.
What a horrible way to die.
That was my story, guys.
Wow, that was actually quite good. But this summer is so long. When is it gonna end? Well, at least that killed a few hours.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.